New model, high quality large format Eco solvent printer. Warranty 1 year. Can be optional for DX5 or DX7 or XP600 printhead. Best user Eco solvent ink. Sublimation ink. Dye or ink. Good for printing all outdoor materials, sublimation paper, vinyl, flex banner, photo paper, canvas, and wallpaper. Best resolution with fast printing speed. Use main top or photo print software. 3 smart heaters of front, middle, and rear. Adjustable printhead height to adapt more different media. Automatic up-down sucking ink function can reduce the waster of ink. Automatic ink maintenance station is more convenient and stable. Electric motor upgraded. Using high-speed USB. Higher resolution and more accurate for feeding paper. Logner Life using interface.
Crossway